My name's Ben Bartsch. I'm a pulmonary critical care physician. I developed patellar tendinitis of my left knee from cycling. I ride my bike on average about 100 miles a week, so about 5,000 plus miles a year. And for the last couple of years, I've been developing worsening pain in the tendon just below my kneecap, so the patellar tendon. I had tried multiple different therapies in the past, stretching, NSAIDs, heat, conservative therapies, and none of those had really worked at any appreciable level. I chose eugenics because after I had failed conservative therapy, I wanted further options to treat my pain. I met with Dr. Lewis, and after consultation, we did a combination of modalities of treatment. I did physical therapy, stretching, and I had a platelet-rich plasma injection of my knee. This, in a matter of 4 to 6 weeks, improved my pain from a level of 5 or 6, I would say, during my rides and afterwards. And now I'm probably 95% better. I have virtually no pain when I'm riding my bike, and afterwards as well, I do have virtually no pain. I would highly recommend the Northwest Center for Regenerative Medicine and Dr. Lewis. They are a fabulous organization, and he's a great physician, and I think he does a wonderful job, and I highly recommend him to anybody who needs help.